Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Chantel here. Thank you for joining today. If you like what you see, please do well to subscribe. Also turn on that bell icon so that each time I post new content, you'll be one of the first people to be notified. Okay, thank you so much. I already know what you're like, so I'm steady giving you in full doses. Today's video is another fashion roast. You can already tell from the title, and I'll be roasting the celebrity guest on the red carpet of the movie ANIKULAPO. ANIKULAPO. I hope I pronounced it right. It's going to hit cinemas and Netflix on the 30th of September. The day this video is going up actually. So after watching this roast, go and watch the video because I'll be doing same. Your faves were looking hot on the red carpet, and I'm either going to be roasting or praising. If you're a returnee here, you already know the drift, but if you're a newbie, what I do in terms of fashion roast is to say the things I like about a particular outfit and the things I don't like, and at the end of the video I rate them according to best dress or worst dress or in between, right? Dress code / theme of this red carpet was ethnic, so the guests were required to dress in an ethnic attire. As a tradition here, I'm going to first define the word so that we're on the same page. Ethnic means characteristics of a people or pertaining to a certain people, especially a group sharing a common and distinctive culture, religion, language, or the like. Based on this definition, I expect to see looks that are generic per se, synonymous to a particular tribe, a group of people, or ethnicity. All right, yeah, that's like the layman definition I just gave so everybody can understand. First guest on my list is Dimples on Instagram, and she is wearing this Abeokuta inspired Ashoke outfit. It consists of a bunch of colors like navy blue, sky blue, or turquoise. No, this is turquoise blue actually, and red. She's accessorized with red matching beads on her neck and on her hair as well. I love the hairstyle. In this part of the world, this hairstyle is called shuku, and it was done in the inner weaving pattern. It looks really good. I love that she's giving everything and more with the Abeokuta look. I personally love the extra makeup with the tribal mark going on her face. Everything about this look is just giving that Yoruba style. I love her makeup. She went all in with black kajal, which is what they are known for, most of them, like if you go to villages, right? And the brows are not the modern type of brows, which I think went very well with the look. Her overlined lips, definitely what you're going to see in the village. And yeah, I feel like everything about this look is stunning. It's giving what it's supposed to give. She also held this hostel thingy, very in sync with the look. Her makeup was done by Faye Zomwa, and she was styled by her mom. So thank you, mommy. You did an amazing job styling Dimples. From head to toe, she brought it. I love that she had no footwear in this photo. She just has the beads on her ankles, which is definitely a yes. I'll give a solid 9 out of 10 for this her look. It's giving ethnic. Everything is in sync with the theme, and yeah, she brought it really well. So I'm here for it. Good job. Thank you, mommy, for styling your daughter really well. The next person is Toyin Abraham. Toyin Abraham opted for an Ashoke Abada, red striped Ashoke Abada. It has embroidery in front of the Ashoke, and she paired it with red beads on her neck. For footwear, she opted for white sneakers just to tie everything. The hem of the pants also has the embroidery thing going on. She was styled by Tiana's Empire. Yes, Tiana can make everyday looks. Her looks are not always extra and theater looking. So yeah, the style of this look for me, I would say, is the floor length locks that she has on. Like, it's literally sweeping the ground. I'm looking at this video and like, how do you bath with this hair? Like, how do you wrap it? Like, why does your hair have to be sweeping the whole of Lagos State? I don't understand. She embellished it with some cowries, and it's giving the African ethnic theme, right? Yeah, I'm not mad at it. I think she would have done without the hair, but it's a personal preference, and it doesn't change anything about the look. Twinning with her husband. He also has on red stripe Abada jumper with suede loafers. I'm going to score both of them an 8 out of 10. Next person on my list is Sharon Uja. Sharon, why? Why did you have to do this to us? Why did you have to set the bar so high and just prepare us too much? Like, my eyes were already tearing off when I saw your look. What was all this? She looked so stunning in this Ashoke two-piece. You guys, the waist bead is called jigida in Nigeria. The neck piece, the way they tied the head tie, the Ashoke on her head, the bangles on her hand, the silhouette. I love how it fits her body so well. Every curve, the crop top, beautiful. I love the beading around the border of it, like the neckline and underneath. I love the cap sleeve, the sweetheart neckline. Her makeup, very dewy. She was styled by Damola. Outfit was done by Obiuku and makeup by Anita Brows. I'm here for it. I'm definitely giving Sharon a 9 out of 10. Today I'm just nice. Like, I'm just dishing out scores here and there, but I mean, to whom much is given, much is required. Abi, is that the word? Something, yeah. Bimbo Ademoye, one of the star actors in the movie, she wore this white ensemble floor-length dress with off-shoulder, and it is beaded. This is like a George. This is a George material, actually, a beaded George material. It has this trimmings with the sleeves. It's off shoulder, but it goes all the way to the back. Yeah, it's a straight cut dress. She also amped it with the veil. It has cowries on it. It's sheer as well. For jewelry, she opted for this pearl 4-layered neck piece with orange contrast, like coral contrast, and matching earrings. Makeup is looking so nice. Pop of color with the red lips. I love her eyes, very simple and minimalistic. I'm here for it. She also opted for the shuku hairstyle that Arikie Dimples had on. Very befitting for the look. The dress also has like a peplum-ish thing going on the side. It doesn't go all the way down, so it's not a train, but it has something going on the side. Just some accessorizing to further amplify the look. I love the beading. I love the neckline. Just enough cleavage showing. The fit of it on her, amazing. You guys know that Bimbo has the best body. Her waist is snatched. Like, she's not wearing any waist trainer here. I can tell. That's how small her waist is. She looks really good. Her dress was made by Somo. Yeah, I've mentioned her a couple of times here on this channel. People will start paying me. All the people that I'm giving free publicity. Time will tell, or the time will come. Yeah, I really like Bimbo's look. She's looking like a queen, like a sophisticated woman on the red carpet, not showing a lot but just showing enough. I'm here for it. I will give her a 9 out of 10 as well. I don't know who's going to be my best dress at this point because I'm just giving everybody 9 over 10. The next celebrity on my list is Kunle Remi. He wore this Ashoke jumper. It's a mix of navy blue, gray, and turquoise blue. He paired it with coral neck piece, coral bangles. On his feet, he opted for matching blue loafers. Very well put together. On his filler, you have the word Saro. I'm guessing that's his name in the movie. He looks really nice. This outfit was made by Cross Culture NG. I'm sure at this point, you all are hearing some external noises. Please forgive it, because those are the perks of being a Nigerian-based YouTuber. NEPA, PHED, they took the lights. So we had to go turn on the gen to continue this video. So like I was saying, Kunle Remi looks dapper. He looks nice. I love the color combination. I love the styling. Very simple yet well put together. I love the sleeve of the jumper. I love the embroidery going on the neckline. Nice combo of colors like I mentioned. The length of the pants is okay because it's a jumper. And yeah, I love the accessorizing with his walking stick and the glasses. Everything is looking well thought of. I will give Kunle Remi a 7 out of 10 for this look. Okay, the next person is Enang Chris, looking like an Igbo chief. Well kitted with the red cap and Ishiagu fabric. Ishiagu is an Igbo traditional outfit that people wear for weddings, traditional occasions, basically anything that requires you to announce that you're Igbo, that you stand being Igbo. The background of the fabric is navy blue, and then it has the Ishagu motif drawing, what have you going on. For footwear, he opted for this black loafers that has 313 embroidered on it. For jewelry, he opted for coral bead necklace, bangles to give you all the chief vibe. For watch, silver, everything about this looks nice. I think it's in tune with the theme. He did not give the details of who made the outfit. The fit looks really nice. I will give him an 8 out of 10 for this. Next person is Mr. Macaroni. I don't think Mr. Macaroni has ever thought of getting a stylist, because anytime I see him on the red carpet, it's almost like he just rolled out of bed and decided to attend the event. Mr. Macaroni looks better in his skits than he does on red carpet. The disparity is just too much, to be honest. For this one, he opted for an orange two-piece. This is obviously in a cotton material, so this is not giving anything ethnic. To further get me angry, he styled it with sneakers, this over the top black Nike canvas. This is not sneaker, canvas. That's everything with his look. He accessorized with silver watch. That's it. If he had even worn maybe a loafers and then paired it with the coral bead necklace, it would have even given more of the theme than what he is wearing. I don't know why Mr. Macaroni decides to always make me angry and frustrates me during my fashion roast. Yeah, I don't know why he does that, but I mean, maybe it will even help me get a worse dress, because at this point I don't know what I'm looking at. This is not just working. I'm going to give Mr. Macaroni a 3 out of 10 for this. Next person on my list is this beauty called Ahine Author in this red and white combo. She's wearing a satin blouse paired with lace wrapper. Back in the day, we used to call this oleku. So this is like the oleku style. Short wrapper with matching red necklace, right? She also opted for silver hoops and red cut shoes. To take it up a notch, she's holding the horse tail. That's giving like the indigenous vibe. Her hair is styled in a ponytail. She has this gold colored clipping or attachment. I don't know what she used behind, but yeah, her makeup looks fresh. She's glowing. The fit of it on her nice. She has a petite frame, so styling the wrapper in this short version makes a lot of sense. It gives her that elongated look with her legs. I'm going to give her a 6 out of 10 for this look. Okay, the next celebrity guest on my list is actually one of my faves, Shola Sobowale. Mommy Shola Sobowale walked the black carpet in this black organza kaftan. It has a lot of appliques on the neckline. It has some stone on the side. It's a mix of organza and tulle material. So for the sleeves, they use the tulle material, and then the kaftan is in organza. This is looking like it's not even black actually. It's a metallic navy blue fabric, and she paired it with matching scarf. Very simple but really sophisticated. I don't think this is giving ethnic, because I don't know of any tribe that dresses like this, but it's Mommy Shola, so we are going to overlook that, and I'll give her a 7 out of 10. Eyemi Afolayan is next. She opted for this pink Ashoke wrapper and top, oleku style, with black strappy shoes. Jewelry is red, and then she accessorized with the horse tail, horse whip. Her makeup is barely noticeable. I don't think she even has any on. This look is giving the Yoruba tribe, so that gets extra marks. The color against her skin tone nice. The Ashoke fabric, that's the mix of pink and silver, also really nice. I love that it's matching with her footwear. A 6 out of 10 for this. The last person in this fashion roast is actually the director of the movie, Kunle Afolayan. Came in with so much presence in this agbada, Ashoke agbada piece. It's a combination of pink and beige, and then he paired it with matching filler. For jewelry, he opted for coral bead. I would have been surprised if he did not have any on. And this long gold necklace. It looks really well put together. The ashoke looks very rich. The embroidery in front is speaking volume. If you know ashoke, you know that it doesn't come cheap. In this case, an abada, it would have been very expensive. It looks like very high quality ashoke. I really like it. For footwear, he opted for light brown loafers with silver details on it. It's looking like Gucci, I'm guessing. Overall, he looks well put together. I really love his look. Very in tune with the theme, very rich, very luxurious. He actually speaks so much about the rich Yoruba tradition, and I'm here for it. I really love their outfit. Their attires are everything. I will give Kunle a 9 out of 10 for this look. So guys, we're done with today's fashion roast. Next is best and worst dress. Best dressed female, without a doubt, has to go to Ahine, Dimples. Everything about this look was shut down, according to what's that guy, Sabino's. Shut down. I really love this look. Everything is given, from her hair to her makeup. Everything was well thought of, to the tribal marks. Everything was just giving what it was supposed to be. She's definitely my best dressed female for the ANIKULAPO movie premiere. Worst dressed female, I don't think any woman looked bad. I'm not being biased, I'm just telling the truth. If you guys think there's any worst dress, let me know. I think they all came looking really nice. Let me confirm again. Yeah, I think they came looking really nice. Best dressed male, there are so many contenders here. Who am I going to give it to? I think I'll just stick with Kunle Afolayan. Yeah, he looks really dapper, really good. Worst dressed male, I don't even have to think. I don't even have to scratch my brain. Definitely Mr. Macaroni. Please, sir, help us. Please. It doesn't like no. Nah, please, no. Understand from my begging that you should do better. Okay, y'all, let me know your best and your worst in the comment section per usual. I'm looking forward to go see this movie. Definitely I'm going to see it because it's on Netflix, and I will just stay in the comfort of my house and watch it. If you know Kunle Afolayan, you know that his movies are always well thought of. They tell you a lot about tradition, and you learn a lot. Basically, it's not just about a feel-good movie. In simple terms, what I'm trying to say is that his movies are amazing. His movies are really good. So be sure to check it out. It drops today. Even before this video comes up, the movie should be out. Yeah, that's it from me with today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, leave your comments. You all know the drill now. You watch YouTube, so you already know. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one.
Going fast, I need this night.